हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ A to Z अल्फ़ाबेट। इससे पहले हम देखते हैं कलर्स नेम। पिंक कलर, ब्लू कलर, रेड कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ग्रीन कलर, येलो कलर, ब्राउन कलर। ये है हमारे A is for aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. B is for balloon. B is for balloon. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dolphin. D is for dolphin. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for gorilla. G is for gorilla. H is for horse. H is for horse. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. J is for juice. K is for kite. K is for kite. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. M is for mango. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for nest. O is for orange. O is for orange. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R is for rose. R is for rose. S is for snake. S is for snake. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for Christmas. X for Christmas. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. तो चलो बच्चों, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।